Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a video on Diwali special. So Diwali had came near, all are buying crackers. So we had bought a box, and so let's start with our video. From outlook it looks like this, friends, and from back it looks like this. So you will have over here Lakshmi crackers, 4 Lakshmi crackers, 3.5 Lakshmi crackers, 2, 3.4, 3 and 4 Kavari crackers, red bijli 50 pieces, 28 chorsa and 10 chorsa. Flower pot, small one, 5 pieces, ground chakra, 5 pieces, rocket bomb, 5 pieces, bullet bomb, 5 pieces, 7 centimeter electric, 7 centimeter crackling, 10 centimeter electric. Snake tablet also you will get here, and Z Boomba and electric stone, assault cartoon 5 pieces, dancing wheel, roll cap, and snake cartoon, fancy sky shot, and Kit Kat, and 4 bird crackers, 3.5, 4 bird crackers, 7 shot 1 piece, 1.5 twinkling star 5 pieces, 4 twinkling stars 2 pieces, military bomb, multicolor shower, magic lighter. So we will get these items, 30 items on this box. So outside look at finished. Now we'll see what we'll get inside. So let's open, guys. Wow, the box looks like this. So let's start with the hydro bomb. You can see this is hydro bomb. We will see inside how does it look. So it looks like this. First hydro bomb. Let's keep it over here. And this is snake cartoon as they had given the time on the picture. You can see. Now we will take Lakshmi bombs. These are the 2 Lakshmi bombs. This is the big one. This is the small one. Small ones is also 5. Big one is also 5. So let's keep it over here. So next we are going to go on parrot crackers. This looks like this. 5 pieces. And this is the bijli pataki. 50 pieces. Over here. And this is star chorsa, which is they have given the time. Back side, big one, and small one over here. 10 wala chorsa. This also. We'll keep it over here. And this is the bomb which they had said. A news. Shaman Fireworks Factory, yellow pops. We have to burn it maybe here. And this is the bomb. And this is the chakra. We'll put on a look inside. Wow. We have chakras on here. And this is the small parrot pataki. You can see here 5 pieces. Let's keep outside near the patakis. And this is the snakes. Let's have a look. Wow, it have inside like this. So let's move on to other. Another one you have this one. This is same sound one. This is another birds. Let's keep it over here. The bombs. And this is the big one. Let's keep it here. And this is the roll caps. So this is roll caps. We'll keep it over here. So this is flower pot. Let's see what is inside this. So it's good. There are 5 pieces inside the flower pots box. So let's see inside this. What is there? Oh, that Hanuman tail. See, like this. Nice. Let's keep it over here. And this is also the tea boomba, like snake pataki, which burns and comes like a snake. We'll keep it here upon the snake pataki only. And this is one more pataki, cell pataki. It's very soon. So let's go on to next. This is the bullet bomb. Same like that. So next we'll go. Let's check inside. This is inside this. Next is these 7 shots. So let's move on. This is 7 centimeter electric sparklers. So this is the rocket bomb main. So let's open and see in this. Wow. Let's move on the next. This is electric stone. This is also like, and this is the rocket lever. We should live on this rocket. This is one more color sparklers, 7 centimeter. This is called as Hanuman tail. Same like before, which I have shown. And this is one more electric sparklers, 7 centimeter. And this is the last 10 centimeter electric sparklers. This is quite long. So this is 10 centimeter long one. So there are so many crackers in this box and worth for money. Enjoy your Diwali. Be safe. Subscribe my channel to get my new video on burning crackers. Share, comment, like. Thank you. Bye bye.